morning, everybody. Our mission today, we're going to Waikiki Beach. Let's go. A nice view right here, you guys. Man, picture doesn't do any justice. I have to come here to see my own eyes. The dog jamba, camellia, all around on the side of the street, alongside with the palm trees. We're going to Honolulu, Waikiki Beach. See, look at big city, the little twin towers here. And we're gonna go to North Shore. North Shore is known for the big waves. A lot of surfer here. Recommend it.
Cam Hamana.
Kamami Hamiha Highway. Got one good one. We are moving forward to city of Honolulu.
Downtown.
Look a lot like San Francisco.
Mini version.
Yeah, mini version of San Francisco. A lot of house on the hills.
That's worth a lot of money right here. You get a shot. A lot of money.
Not too much traffic. A lot of people living sardine in there. Here we are. Just
Stay in the
arrived.
right 3 lanes.
Just arrived at Waikiki Beach. We're gonna make a right somewhere and the water will be right there. It's the Aloha gas station.
In half a mile.
Yeah. Bank of Hawaii. Oh, dog keo, Thai cuisine. I think we came here last time, I remember.
We came here downtown. We
And
walked.
they closed. We didn't get the food.
Prada.
Ooh, Louis Vuitton, people. And this is like an upscale shopping center. Now this one look like Santa Barbara or Santana Row in San Jose, yo. Santana Row. With a lot of coconut tree. This is not palm tree, this is coconut tree. A real coconut up there.
Hit you in the head. Don't pay attention.
Valentino.
Yeah.
Here we are, Waikiki Beach.
Eat Kiki.
Kiki,
They got a tree.
Kiki.
Ay, ay, ay.
Kiki.
I remember seeing that tree. Ooh.
Yep. This is the original tree you can't find anywhere else. ABC store
Yeah,
is
you're gonna
like,
like that store. That's the store that have
Yeah.
all the stuff.
it's
You're
like
gonna-
a souvenir. Aston Waikiki.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, a lot of 1 piece, 2 piece, no piece. You name it, they got it all here. On our walkway to the beach. All this
Look at that guy.
skateboard.
Come on, girl.
Look like George Lopez.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try it. Gotta order some ice cream. $16 for a bonan. We ice cream. We're gonna go to the beach. Waikiki. We got the water. We're here, stop by Helena Hawaiian Food. Okay, we are in the infinity pool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Look at that. Hi, Elena. Hi, Allison.
For 5 minutes and then go. If you want to wrap her up in a towel, they're right over there.
All right, we're out here swimming in the lagoon. It's about 7 or 7:30. A lot of people still out here. The water, man, it's super nice. Super nice. Nice and warm. The sunset's about to come down. I think it did come down already. That's the Four Seasons right there next door to us. And right here is the Aulani Disney Resort. Yes. And I'm gonna go underwater. Ooh. Upwater. Oh yeah. It's good. Wish we could be here longer than a week, but a week is good. 7 days is good enough.